Pegasus.
Pegasus emerged from Medusa's blood and became Greek mythology's sacred winged horse. Ancient Greek myths describe Pegasus soaring freely across heavenly realms above. His magnificent wings allowed travel between Earth and divine regions effortlessly. Pegasus eventually became closely associated with the mighty hero Bellerophon. Together they defeated dangerous monsters threatening people throughout ancient lands. Greek traditions portray Pegasus as noble, graceful, and exceptionally powerful throughout. His presence often symbolized inspiration, freedom, and divine favor greatly. Several myths connect Pegasus with sacred springs and artistic inspiration. Today, Pegasus remains Greek mythology's most famous sacred creature universally. Phoenix. Phoenix appeared within ancient traditions as a sacred bird of rebirth. Ancient myths describe Phoenix living centuries before meeting death naturally. At life's conclusion, Phoenix transformed through flames and renewed existence. Its extraordinary cycle symbolized immortality, renewal, resilience, and transformation continuously. Ancient storytellers viewed Phoenix as evidence of nature's endless regeneration. The bird's brilliant feathers reflected sunlight with extraordinary beauty everywhere. Greek traditions associated Phoenix with cosmic cycles and eternal existence. Its remarkable story spread across cultures long after antiquity ended. Today, Phoenix remains mythology's ultimate symbol of rebirth and renewal. Golden Fleece Ram. The Golden Fleece Ram was a sacred creature sent by gods. Ancient myths describe the ram rescuing endangered royal children successfully. Its magnificent golden wool possessed divine value and supernatural significance. The ram carried its passengers safely across vast, dangerous waters. After completing its mission, the creature received divine recognition afterward. Greek traditions preserved its legacy through the legendary Golden Fleece. Many heroes later sought the fleece because of immense prestige. Its story became central within mythology's greatest adventures and quests. Today, the ram remains an important, sacred symbol within mythology. Ceryneian Hind. The Ceryneian Hind was a sacred deer dedicated to Artemis herself. Ancient myths describe the hind possessing extraordinary speed and endurance. Its golden antlers distinguished it from ordinary animals immediately everywhere. The creature roamed forests freely under divine protection and authority. Capturing the hind became one of Heracles' famous labors eventually. Greek traditions emphasize Artemis' strong connection with this sacred animal. The hind symbolized purity, grace, and harmony with nature greatly. Many stories portray it evading hunters through remarkable agility consistently. Today, the Ceryneian Hind remains mythology's most famous sacred deer. Ladon. Ladon served as the sacred dragon, guarding the golden apples faithfully. Ancient myths describe Ladon protecting treasures within a divine garden. The creature possessed immense vigilance and rarely required rest itself. Greek traditions portray Ladon as loyal to divine responsibilities always. Its presence prevented intruders from stealing valuable sacred possessions successfully. Heracles eventually encountered Ladon during one famous heroic labor. Many artistic depictions emphasize Ladon's serpentine body and fearsome appearance. The dragon symbolized guardianship, duty, vigilance, and unwavering protection greatly. Today, Ladon remains one of mythology's most recognizable sacred dragons ever. Nemean Lion. The Nemean Lion was a sacred beast with impenetrable golden hide. Ancient myths describe the lion terrorizing regions around Nemea relentlessly. Its supernatural skin resisted weapons used by ordinary warriors completely. Greek traditions portray the creature as exceptionally powerful and dangerous. Heracles confronted the lion during his first legendary labor successfully. After defeating it, he wore the hide as protection afterward. The lion symbolized strength, resilience, courage, and seemingly unbeatable power. Many stories emphasize its importance within Heracles' heroic journey greatly. Today, the Nemean Lion remains mythology's most famous sacred beast. Colchis Bulls. The Colchis Bulls were sacred bronze-footed creatures created through divine power. Ancient myths describe these bulls breathing fire from powerful nostrils. Their immense strength made them difficult for mortals to control. Greek traditions connect the bulls with King Aeetes and Colchis. Jason encountered these creatures while pursuing the legendary Golden Fleece. The challenge demonstrated courage, skill, determination, and strategic thinking greatly. Many stories portray the bulls as symbols of unstoppable force. Their divine origins elevated them beyond ordinary mythological animals entirely. Today, the Colchis Bulls remain iconic sacred creatures within mythology. Orthrus. Orthrus was a sacred two-headed hound associated with divine herds closely. Ancient myths describe Orthrus guarding valuable cattle with constant vigilance. Its dual heads enhanced awareness against threats approaching unexpectedly nearby. Greek traditions portray Orthrus as powerful, loyal, and intimidating throughout. The creature served important responsibilities within several mythological narratives consistently. Heracles eventually encountered Orthrus during one challenging heroic labor. Many artistic depictions emphasize its unusual appearance and fierce nature. The hound symbolized protection, duty, vigilance, and unwavering loyalty throughout. Today, Orthrus remains mythology's most recognizable sacred guardian creature universally. Caucasian Eagle. The Caucasian eagle served as a sacred instrument of divine punishment. Ancient myths describe the eagle visiting Prometheus every single day. Its task involved enforcing consequences ordered directly by Zeus himself. Greek traditions portray the bird as relentless and unwavering always. The eagle's actions reinforce themes involving justice and responsibility continually. Prometheus endured this punishment because he aided humanity previously. Many stories emphasize the bird's role within divine authority structures. Its presence symbolized consequences resulting from defying powerful gods greatly. Today, the Caucasian eagle remains an important creature within mythology. Cerberus. Cerberus guarded the underworld and prevented unauthorized passage between realms. Ancient myths describe Cerberus possessing multiple heads and immense strength. Its fearsome appearance discouraged both intruders and escaping spirits alike. Greek traditions portray Cerberus as loyal to underworld responsibilities consistently. The creature served Hades faithfully while maintaining cosmic balance throughout. Heracles encountered Cerberus during his final legendary labor successfully. Many depictions emphasize its terrifying features and supernatural presence greatly. The hound symbolized boundaries separating life from death permanently thereafter. Today, Cerberus remains Greek mythology's most famous sacred guardian creature. Stymphalian Birds. The Stymphalian birds were sacred creatures possessing metallic feathers and beaks. Ancient myths describe these birds inhabiting dangerous marshlands extensively nearby. Their sharp feathers functioned like deadly projectiles against opponents effectively. Greek traditions portray them as formidable threats requiring heroic intervention. Heracles confronted these birds during one difficult labor successfully afterward. The challenge demonstrated resourcefulness alongside physical courage and strength greatly. Many stories emphasize the bird's unusual characteristics and behavior patterns. Their presence symbolized natural dangers beyond ordinary human control entirely. Today, the Stymphalian birds remain memorable sacred creatures within mythology. Cretan Bull. The Cretan Bull was a sacred creature linked with divine intervention. Ancient myths describe the bull possessing extraordinary strength and beauty. Its appearance inspired awe among mortals, witnessing its presence directly. Greek traditions connect the creature closely with Poseidon's influence greatly. The bull eventually became involved within several important mythological events. Heracles captured the creature during one famous labor successfully afterward. Many stories portray the bull as powerful yet unpredictable throughout. Its symbolism reflected strength, authority, prestige, and divine involvement greatly. Today, the Cretan bull remains mythology's most iconic sacred creatures. Hydra. Hydra was a sacred, multi-headed serpent associated closely with Hera herself. Ancient myths describe Hydra dwelling within marshes near Lerna permanently. Its terrifying heads regenerated rapidly whenever one was severed completely. Greek traditions portray Hydra as exceptionally dangerous and difficult defeating. The creature became one of Heracles' most challenging labors ever. Its poisonous breath threatened anyone approaching its territory carelessly nearby. Many stories emphasize Hydra's resilience and supernatural regenerative abilities greatly. The monster symbolized persistent dangers requiring intelligence beyond physical strength. Today, Hydra remains mythology's most famous sacred serpentine creature universally. Dolphin of Poseidon. The Dolphin of Poseidon served as a sacred creature accompanying. Ancient myths describe dolphins assisting gods and guiding mortals safely. One famous story credits a dolphin with helping Poseidon court Amphitrite. Greek traditions portray dolphins as intelligent, loyal, and divinely favored. Their close association elevated them beyond ordinary marine animals significantly. Many artworks depict dolphins alongside Poseidon across seas and oceans. The creature symbolized guidance, protection, friendship, and maritime prosperity greatly. Its presence reflected harmonious relationships between divine powers and nature. Today, Poseidon's dolphin remains mythology's most beloved sacred sea creature. Python. Python was a sacred serpent dwelling near Delphi before Apollo's arrival. Ancient myths describe Python guarding the region's prophetic sanctuary faithfully. The creature possessed immense influence over sacred oracular traditions there. Greek traditions portray Python as ancient, powerful, and spiritually significant. Apollo eventually confronted Python to establish authority over Delphi permanently. This victory transformed Delphi into one mythology's greatest religious centers. Many stories emphasize Python's connection with prophecy and divine knowledge. The serpent symbolized ancient powers existing before Olympian dominance emerged. Today, Python remains mythology's most famous sacred prophetic serpent universally.